So let's take a look at how we can use the live groups as a asset. So we have this script and there are a bunch of stock footages. Now rather than me browsing through the file explorer and playing them first in an external movie player and then deciding which one I want to try out and bring it in, I can have these all contained within a live group to make the asset much more usable and manageable. So what I can do is I have all of these. I'm just going to create a switch node from there. And then what we're going to do is turn this into a live group. So I'm going to select Control L. And now we have the live group. Okay, what I want to do is I'm just going to split this up off into two. And we're going to expose, oops, I didn't do that. I'm going to expose the switches knob over here. And let's look at our live group. So I'm going to get the switch, get the live group, jump into edit mode, select my switch knob, bring it inside of here. Let's name it, select fog type. And this is coming from a switch, so I'll leave that. And then if I jump out of here, now this is all contained within this single live group. We have the switch node as the output, and that means I can go ahead and thumb through all the different ones. We can see what's happening inside of the live group. It's doing the switch between all of them. So maybe we want to take this even further. I'll put a grade node, and in the grade node, I'm going to just grab my live group. I'm going to expose some knobs from here. So maybe I'll just add a divider line below the fog type, grab some of these, place it inside of here, and maybe the mix. And then I can go ahead and let's call this our fog asset right here. So it'll just be fog, and this will be our fog tab. Now I will jump out of edit mode, and then I can go ahead and begin to publish this. Maybe under the node type, though, I will actually just show a postage stamp so we can see which one that we're dealing with. And then let's go ahead and publish, find the path. And we're going to call this fog asset. Great, so when you publish the fog asset group, now the advantage of this is just like it was with the custom tool. This is my starting library of fog, but as more things get developed, maybe we have some CG fog, maybe we have additional stock footage that has come in, we can go in and expand this library out and then continue to plug more things in. We save it as either on top of itself or as a new version, and in that case I can just go ahead and alt version up. Now artists have access to the expanded library rather than just dealing with that single one. So a nice advantage of working with stock footage, assets, any types of things that you have inside of here. Maybe it's different 3D setups, maybe it's different projection setups. You can have that all packed into a live group that we can be exposing certain knobs from and then loading into here. We even have just some dust in here. Maybe we could create one for that, have a dust asset, explosion, fires, etc. You get the general idea, but it's a nice way to use live groups to control assets as well. So next we're going to take a look at collaborative compositing workflows and all the different types, and also begin to look at the live input node.